Okay, one of the best ways to get it, learn pattern recognition is to connect all the dots. What we're going to look at here is I've drawn these prices in, as you can see, from low to high and high to low and low to high. I'm not counting these little ones. I just want you to get the concept. Then you come down to the low, and then you just do these. The best is to take them out and print them and do them by hand. That's the best way to do them. So you put them in like this. I'm not going to do I'm not going to do all of them. I'm just going to do the ones that are really prevalent. You can do the others later, as you can see that I do when I do my charts. And you must connect all the swings. See, you must connect the swings, because that tells you that where the expansions and contractions are happening. Because remember, the market is not doing anything more than expanding and contracting. That's all it does every day. It's a very methodical thing that it does all the time, and all of the swings will be related to each other. Because when you're looking at things, you're looking at these triangles that flip and overlap. Like this one flips over and lines up with this one. This one flips over and lines up with this one. This one flips over and lines up with this one. But in order to do it, you have to be able, to draw in all the lines and connect all the dots. That's the main thing that you want to do. And then after you do that, what you can do is you want to learn to put the patterns in. Well, I have a program that does this automatically with me, and you'll see that there's your 61% retracement coming in right here. It comes in at 0.66. This is a 2-to-1 ratio to the downside. This is a 1.618 expansion. All you have to do to look at that is just go back and look, and you'll see that it's I'm wrong. It's a little bit more than a 1.27. The 1.618 is just a little bit below it. But that's how you learn to find out how these things go, and you just do one after another. But you got to connect all the dots, because once you connect the dots and see that this is nothing more than each triangle from what happens in the past determines what happens in the future. What happened on the upside happens on the downside. It expanded 1.27 on the upside. It expands 1.27 to the downside. So we keep moving forward, and this is where we are with the euro right now. We're coming down. We should be expanding to the upside, because we've had this first move, which was what we were expecting it to happen, you see. And what will happen most likely is we're going to come up here to a 61% retracement, and we'll do it in a format something like this. Would be my didn't draw it right, but it would be something like this, where you come up and make a 61% retracement like that. This one is the one that is wrong, and we want to get rid of that one. So that's what we would be watching for. So practice doing these swings, and that'll make you better. Live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless.